Welcome to Rohit 3D Asset. Today we're going to learn how to make horns for your character model easily by using Curve Warp tool. First I'm going to make curve path for horn by curve tool. Then we can make the horn. Now we can make the horn mesh design. If this video helps you in understanding Curve Warp tool, then you can like and subscribe to help me to motivate to make more tutorial like this. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, and see you in next video.